Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Wednesday, February 21st, 2024. Let's take a look at Ethereum to Tether at Zondacrypto. As you can see, I'm using the daily time frame chart with some candlestick and of course moving averages and RSI indicator. RSI indicator is coming off extremely overbought market conditions on a daily time frame chart. We are just approaching the level of 70, very sharp reversal, and you can see it here as well. We are reversing sharply. So let's just zoom in right now to the newest price action, to the newest situation on the Ether. As you can see, we got pending bearish engulfing pattern. The last swing high was made at the level of 3022, so the Ethereum is above the level of 3000. Well done, very well. And this is now our technical resistance levels. Of course, if we get the bearish engulfing, we can label it here that this is the bearish engulfing pattern. And as we already know, the bearish engulfing candlestick pattern is apparently a reversal pattern. So the market is warning us, hello, bears are here, they are pushing me lower. So where is the next target? Yesterday's low, 2885, is the immediate next target. Then the highs from the 15th of the February, 2860. Then we are approaching, of course, the 2721. Very nice technical support here that was actually tested as well during this pin bar reversal here, or pin bar pullback here. So as you can see, this is the key technical support on the daily time frame chart. Now we are still trading above 100 and 200 periods moving average on a daily time frame chart, which is very good from the point of view of the holders and the long term traders with a long-term trading strategy. So as long as we are not moving very sharply below 2720, the key technical support, the outlook remains kind of a bullish. Let me just zoom in one more. There you go. Outlook remains bullish, but you need to remember that we are about to complete this whole impulsive structure to the upside. The $3,000 level was the last target for bulls. Around psychological level of $3,000 is always very good level to exit your basically trades if you are a long-term trader, because it attracts a lot of the traders who wants to basically cash out. Now, what we should pay attention to this week? We should pay attention to the key levels. Of course, if the market is trying to breach this key level, is market bouncing from this key level, resuming the up move or something like this, or the market is falling lower towards 100 or even 200 periods moving average. Now, the momentum is still positive. The momentum is still very strong. It's coming off the extremely overbought conditions. Nevertheless, it's far away from the level of 50. So if you are waiting for the market to get towards the level of 50, the neutral level on the RSI, in order to make sure that the pullback or maybe even a correction is done, well, this might take a few days to do, for example. Nevertheless, even if we get here, the market should bounce and continue the up movement, because the trend, the long-term trend on the Ethereum is still up, and in the background the bulls are still very strong. So they are pushing the markets higher and higher. Of course, one of the motive of the to continue this up move is the ETF approval, potential ETF approval in the US, so the other markets can be traded using the ETF vehicle. So for now, that's everything from me. Technical picture is quite clear of what we are doing here. Time for a pause, time for a pullback from the 3000 tethers level, and then we will see what the market have for us. Please keep an eye on 2720 levels. This is the key level for the nearest future. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. Take care and bye bye.